Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly thrive in social settings, radiating confidence and attracting positive energy? It's almost as if they possess a hidden aura, an unspoken magnetism that draws others towards them. These individuals, often referred to as the chosen ones, exhibit unique qualities that enable them to excel in social environments. In today's video, we will delve deep into understanding why the chosen ones thrive in social settings and how you too can harness these traits to enhance your social experiences. Let's start by defining who the chosen ones are. The term chosen ones refers to individuals who seem to possess an extraordinary ability to navigate social situations with grace and ease. These people stand out not just because of their confidence, but due to a profound sense of purpose that drives their actions. They are often perceived as leaders, not necessarily because they seek to lead, but because their authenticity naturally inspires others. Their presence commands attention, and their energy is infectious, often leaving a lasting impression on everyone they meet. The chosen ones are characterized by their deep self-awareness. They have a clear understanding of their strengths and weaknesses, and this self-knowledge allows them to navigate social situations without pretenses. They do not conform to societal expectations or mimic the behaviors of others to fit in. Instead, they remain true to their core values and beliefs, which in turn earns them respect and admiration from those around them. One of the primary reasons why chosen ones thrive in social settings is their ability to express themselves authentically. Authentic self-expression is about being genuine and true to oneself, without the need for approval from others. This authenticity is magnetic. People are naturally drawn to those who are real and unapologetically themselves. When you are authentic, you emit a sense of confidence and security that others find comforting and attractive. To practice authentic self-expression, start by embracing your true self. This involves acknowledging your feelings, thoughts, and desires without judgment. Allow yourself to be vulnerable and share your true self with others. This doesn't mean oversharing or burdening others with your problems, but rather being honest about who you are and what you stand for. Authenticity also means standing by your values and beliefs, even when it's difficult. When you live in alignment with your true self, you not only feel more at peace, but you also create deeper and more meaningful connections with others. Another key trait of the chosen ones is their ability to radiate positive energy. Positive energy is a powerful force that can transform social interactions. When you radiate positivity, you uplift those around you, creating an atmosphere of warmth and optimism. This positive energy acts as a magnet, drawing people towards you and making them feel good in your presence. Radiating positive energy begins with maintaining a positive mindset. This doesn't mean ignoring life's challenges, but rather choosing to focus on the good in every situation. Practice gratitude by acknowledging and appreciating the positive aspects of your life. Surround yourself with positivity by engaging in activities that bring you joy and spending time with people who uplift and inspire you. By cultivating a positive mindset, you can naturally project positive energy, making you more approachable and likable in social settings. Deep listening and empathy are essential skills that enable chosen ones to build strong social connections. Deep listening involves fully focusing on the speaker, understanding their message, and responding thoughtfully. It goes beyond just hearing words. It's about comprehending the emotions and intentions behind those words. When you listen deeply, you show others that you value and respect their thoughts and feelings, which fosters trust and strengthens relationships. Empathy, on the other hand, is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. It involves putting yourself in someone else's shoes and seeing the world from their perspective. Empathy allows you to connect with others on a deeper level, creating a sense of understanding and compassion. To practice empathy, pay attention to the emotions of those around you and respond with kindness and support. By being empathetic, you can create a safe and nurturing environment where others feel understood and valued. Confidence and presence are crucial for thriving in social settings. Chosen ones exude confidence, which is reflected in their body language, tone of voice, and overall demeanor. Confidence is not about being arrogant or boastful. It's about having a strong belief in your abilities and worth. When you are confident, you naturally attract others and make a positive impression. Building confidence starts with self-acceptance. Accept yourself as you are, with all your strengths and imperfections. Focus on your achievements and strengths, and remind yourself of your worth. Practice self-care and engage in activities that boost your confidence, such as setting and achieving small goals. Additionally, maintain good posture, make eye contact, and speak clearly to project confidence through your body language. Presence is about being fully engaged and attentive in the moment. It means giving your full attention to the people you are interacting with, without being distracted by external factors or internal thoughts. To develop presence, practice mindfulness by being aware of your surroundings and the people you are with. Listen actively, respond thoughtfully, and show genuine interest in others. By being present, you create a sense of connection and engagement that makes you more appealing and trustworthy in social settings. Setting healthy boundaries is essential for maintaining balanced and respectful relationships. Chosen ones understand the importance of setting and respecting boundaries to protect their well-being and ensure mutual respect. Boundaries define what is acceptable and what is not, allowing you to maintain your integrity and self-respect. To set boundaries, start by identifying your limits and what makes you feel uncomfortable or overwhelmed. Communicate your boundaries clearly and assertively to others without being aggressive or confrontational. It's important to be consistent and firm in enforcing your boundaries, even when faced with resistance. Respect the boundaries of others as well, and be mindful of their comfort zones. By setting and respecting boundaries, you create a healthy and respectful social environment where everyone feels valued and understood. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage your own emotions, as well as the emotions of others. It is a key factor in social success, as it enables you to navigate complex social situations with ease. Chosen ones possess high emotional intelligence, allowing them to remain calm and composed even in challenging situations. To enhance your emotional intelligence, start by developing self-awareness. Pay attention to your emotions and understand how they influence your thoughts and actions. Practice self-regulation by managing your emotions in a healthy way, such as through deep breathing, meditation, or physical activity. Develop social awareness by being attuned to the emotions of others and responding with empathy and compassion. Finally, work on relationship management by effectively communicating and resolving conflicts. By improving your emotional intelligence, you can build stronger and more harmonious social connections. Chosen ones prioritize building meaningful connections over superficial relationships. They seek quality interactions that foster genuine bonds and mutual growth. Meaningful connections are built on trust, respect, and shared values, creating a sense of belonging and support. To build meaningful connections, focus on quality over quantity. Invest time and effort in nurturing relationships with people who share your values and interests. Be genuine and authentic in your interactions, and show appreciation and gratitude for the people in your life. Practice active listening and empathy, and support others in their endeavors. By building meaningful connections, you create a network of supportive and enriching relationships that enhance your social well-being. Adaptability and flexibility are essential traits for thriving in social settings. Chosen ones are able to navigate various social scenarios with ease, adapting to different personalities and environments. They remain open-minded and embrace change, allowing them to handle unexpected situations gracefully. To develop adaptability, practice being open to new experiences and perspectives. Challenge yourself to step out of your comfort zone and try new things. Be willing to adjust your plans and approach based on the needs and preferences of others. Stay calm and composed in the face of change, and focus on finding solutions rather than dwelling on problems. By being adaptable and flexible, you can navigate social settings with confidence and ease. Continuous personal growth is a key factor in social success. Chosen ones are committed to their own development and learning, constantly seeking to improve themselves and their social skills. Personal growth involves expanding your knowledge, developing new skills, and enhancing your self-awareness. To pursue continuous personal growth, set goals for yourself and work towards achieving them. Seek out new experiences and challenges that push you to grow. Engage in self-reflection and seek feedback from others to identify areas for improvement. Invest in your education and personal development by reading books, attending workshops, and learning from others. By committing to continuous personal growth, you can enhance your social skills and thrive in any social setting. The reasons why chosen ones thrive in social settings are multifaceted and deeply rooted in their unique qualities and traits. By understanding and embracing these traits, you too can enhance your social interactions and build meaningful connections. Remember to be authentic, radiate positive energy, practice deep listening and empathy, exude confidence and presence, set healthy boundaries, develop emotional intelligence, prioritize meaningful connections, remain adaptable, and commit to continuous personal growth. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and practical tips for thriving in social settings. We encourage you to apply these principles in your own life and experience the positive impact they can have on your social well-being. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on personal and spiritual growth. Thank you for watching, and remember, you have the potential to thrive in any social setting. Keep shining your light and inspiring others with your unique presence and energy.